So GameStop has taken down a very controversial NFT based on a 9/11 victim. So if you didn't know, GameStop had an NFT, has an NFT marketplace, which I didn't know about, or, well, cared. And, well, they're in the news because they took down a very controversial NFT. This is what the NFT looked like. And this, if you didn't know, is based on a famous news photo of a 9/11 victim. So, in your typical NFT fashion, of course, you know, somebody replaced, again, the victim, the person that died, with a falling astronaut, which, by the way, is also supposed to be a model that you can just buy on the Blender market. It's like 40 bucks. I checked it out. Seems to be like the same thing. And, you know, they started selling it as an NFT. And they also described that this one probably fell from the MIR station. So that was a space station. This is just, wow. You know, I mean, if you ever need a great example of just why NFTs are so hated throughout the whole general internet community, this is just a great example. You know, the thing is, unfortunately, you know, regardless of what the technology is, unfortunately, there's just tons of creators like this that will just make whatever. They just don't care. They'll just make whatever off of which they can make some quick money. It's basically it, you know, because if you noticed, before this was taken down, there was 25 editions minted, so there's 25 editions you can buy on the blockchain. So before it was taken down, it was already trading for $265. So, you know, there's definitely great incentive why you should spend, like, literally, I don't know, like an hour or 2 hours creating something like this, minting it as an NFT and selling it. I mean, Jesus Christ. Yeah, you know, pretty unfortunate. There's just tons of people out there who just don't care. And, you know, if it means making fun of somebody that died in a tragedy, and if it means that they can profit off of it, it's, you know, fair game for them, I guess.